Hello friends, on today's video I am going to take you along with me to show you how to decorate for fall on a budget. This video is dedicated to our host, Miss Robin. Happy birthday, and I hope you enjoy. This song is for you. Thank you so much for watching. First, I started with my centerpiece I used for my fall tablescape. Thank you, God. And I just kept the same centerpiece. As I broke down my tablescape, I wanted to use it here because I love the fall look. I apologize for the lighting being a little off, but you can use your same decor in various places without going to buy so much decor. So this is my gold champagne color ginger jar. And this is my centerpiece to set it all off for my fall look coming into my interest. Hope you enjoy it. This is where I added my beautiful gold bowl I bought from Home Goods and my gold and brown glamour pumpkins. And all of this I already had. Decorating on a budget, using what you have. So I wanted to use the gold and the brown to bring in the fall color look. And the song that you're listening to is a beautiful, relaxing, jazzy song just to relax and set the mood. So I hope y'all having a blessed and prosperous evening. And here I added my DIY gold leaf pumpkin. I want to pull out the gold. So you can decorate your home on a budget. I hope y'all enjoying this, and if you're new, thank you so much for stopping in. Please, everyone, wish Miss Robin a happy and blessed birthday, and I pray that you see many, many more to come. Friends, this is my final look. Later on, I may try to find some lamps to go here, but for now, this will work. This is my fall interest decorations. Tell me what you think about it. And if you want to see the table skip I did to thank you God, I will leave the icon above. You can look at that after this video. I thank God for this blessed birthday for Miss Robin and the Sophisticated Ladies Club for putting this all together, and everyone that participated and come watch our video. We truly thank you. I thank y'all so much from Penny. I'll see y'all again on my next video.